Viewers, yeah, let me not be too caught into this. So I just showed you I just displayed what I'm going to be teaching you today. Yeah, don't make mistake to think I am showing off. No, this channel is not meant for showing off. This channel is a tutorial channel. This is a school. Welcome to the school. Click the subscribe button right away. This is a school. Click the subscribe button. All right, so let's get to the keys and let's learn some must-know runs for every pianist in the world. All right, so today we're going to be in the key of F. So we have a F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. Yeah, so take this chord first from me. G dominant 7, which is so we're going to be holding F dominant 7, F7. So we're going to have F and E flat on our left. Now let me introduce you to this note, our minor pentatonic scale, blues scale, right? So we have a F, A flat, B flat, B, C, E flat, and then F. So F. So let me show you the fingers you'll be using for that. So one more time. F, A flat, B flat, B, C, F, E flat, F. So the fingers you'll be using, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, your right hand. So you have a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's if you are handing. But if you are going over 2 octaves, you're going to do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, so that's the first. So you can run it straight like that. So you can run it straight like that. Okay, so now let's learn this. Let's start from B and do something like this. Let's start from that. Yeah, so let's go from B, C, E flat to F. I've shown you the fingers. Then back to E flat, back to C, back to F, back to B flat, back to A flat, back to F. So we have something like this. So you can do something like that. Okay, so you can start from this one. So you can go from A flat to B flat to B. So A flat to B flat to B. So pa 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 pa. So you can do it. Now all these are happening on your one. So, but if you want to go to maybe your 4, that's a B flat 7, B flat 7. So you could cut that. So anything that brings you from, let's say, this angle. So when you're going to the 4, just cut it. Cut it from the A flat to the A. The A naturally is not in the scale. So anything that's taking you back to F. So let's run the pentatonic scale for this. Okay. So take it up from here. So make it so A flat, B flat, A, F, E flat, D flat. Okay. So so I'm adding this note D flat to C, then to B flat, A flat. So you could do the two together. Then don't forget to use the subscribe button. God bless you in Jesus' name.